Welcome back to Low Buck Builds. In this video, we're going to work on the fuel system on this old Jeep. Stay tuned. So I think the first thing we're going to do today is test some components. We're going to test the fuel pump here. And I got a tank that came with the Jeep. It's actually a lawnmower tank, but it might work for now. So we're going to test those before we put everything together and make sure they work. Be right back. So first we're going to test this old gas tank. It's actually a lawnmower gas tank, I think. It might be a snowmobile or something like that. But anyway, we're going to test it and see if this picklock's open or not. Alright, doesn't seem to be draining. Alright, let's see if we can get this picklock open. Yep, hey, no good. So next we're going to do a quick test and see if our fuel pump is even pumping fuel. So let's give it a shot. Negative, nothing. So I'm wondering, it might not be able to pull it up that far uphill, so we're going to drop the pump down lower on the vehicle and give it another shot. Be right back. Toast. Alright, I'm gonna get this stuff put away. Our fuel pump is toast. I'll be right back. So we're not having great luck today. Our fuel pump is shot. Our fuel tank that we had is not going to work. Our carb's still leaking. I tightened up the bolts, but it looks like it's leaking from one of the internal seals. And I don't know anything about 2-barrel carburetors, so we're probably going to have to get another one of those, just probably a cheap Amazon special for this. And I'm going to have to get another fuel pump and some kind of fuel tank. But hey, you win some and you lose some, and today we lost, but not a big deal. The next video, I'm going to start putting these in. So I picked up this 5 relay fused box that we're going to install, and then also a 5-switch panel, which also has USB. It shows the voltage, all that good stuff. We're going to end up wiring the fuel pump and the ignition to switches on here. So if you guys want to see that video and you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button, because that's going to be coming up next. Probably later this week or early next week. I should have that out. So guys, thanks for hanging out. I mean, sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. We gotta get some new components, and then we'll go ahead and get this fuel system in here. In the meantime, I'm gonna work on an electrical system. You'll see that in the next video. So thanks for hanging out, and I'll see you in the next video.